The destructive force of hurricanes reflects perhaps more than any other phenomenon the severity of the climate change threat. Today we know that greenhouse gas pollutants have caused extreme weather events, and these are becoming more frequent and dangerous. Professor Kerry Emanuel was the first scientist who, over 3 decades ago, discovered and predicted the dangerous relationship between global warming and hurricane intensity.
We do nothing to stop the emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. We expect the strongest storms to be maybe 40% more destructive at the end of the century than they are today. It's corresponding to maybe a 10 to 15% increase in wind speed.
Emanuel is a professor in the Department of Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and has been awarded the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the climate change category for his fundamental contributions in this field.
So both the theory and the models I've developed predict that as you warm the temperature, the wind speed in the very strongest hurricanes can go up by roughly 5% for every 1 degree centigrade the sea surface warms.
Hurricanes are one of the most devastating natural phenomena. Professor Emanuel was not only the pioneer in relating them to the warming of the surface of the oceans due to climate change, but also in detecting their geographical expansion. In fact, this phenomenon has already been observed in the westernmost part of the Mediterranean, meaning the risk extends to areas where until now it was unthinkable.
The Mediterranean Sea today already has, during the fall especially, hurricane-like storms that we call metacanes. And we expect the frequency of those to actually go down in the eastern Mediterranean, maybe up a little bit in the western, but everywhere we should see an increase in the intensity of metacane.
A prediction that Professor Kerry Emanuel made in a research project carried out together with Spanish scientists at the University of the Balearic Islands, and that once more brings to light the magnitude of the challenge that climate change represents for humanity today.